Hi, welcome back to another video. Watch me make some bread and clean around the house again in this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Aquí tengo mi salsa. It is cooking, boiling. First time I'm going to try to make enchiladas verdes. I always make enchiladas rojas. These are fresh huevitos. My neighbor has 3 chickens and she gave us these sets, so she told us not to put in the refrigerator. I'm supposed to wash them, but I gotta look it up. So back to this couch. It is still wet. It has some wet spots going on there. This little vacuum kind of sucks to clean this out. Like, it is taking forever. So what I decided is I cleaned it. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna put a cover over it. So right here in my beauty room, so I'm just trying to decide where this sofa is gonna go. I want to rearrange a few things. Clouds, say hi. So I really want to get rid of that desk and probably this chair too. It's just way too big for this room. I'm thinking the sofa might go in this corner by the window. Yeah, it should be good. Straight out of the oven. She is gorgeous. You could hear her crackle. I think it's a little too big for this room, but it's okay. We're gonna have to make it work, but just imagine me right here. Like, I am about to go to sleep. I'm exhausted. We've been moving furniture. Oh, and we just got this like urge to like, let's move this, let's move that, like let's swap desks. Oh, and my room is looking really nice. I'm doing the peace out eye masks. Oh my gosh, I hear my cats fucking scratching. What is it with cats when they see a new furniture? I had coffee and I shouldn't have, cause I'm lactose and my stomach hurts. And now, like, moving furniture around makes me want to spend more time in that room, cause it's like, it feels new again. I'm just gonna put my hair like this. And I think that is it for tonight. I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching.